What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. The mods for the M3 never stop. It's really an addiction. I recently purchased a rear backup camera for my E92 M3, so we will take you through the unboxing video now, and hopefully the install video will come shortly later. It should be pretty straightforward, but we'll show you that entire process. So I purchased this kit. It's a plug and play rear camera. Everything should connect with my iDrive system and everything, so it should be quick and easy to do. But I purchased this from BimmerTech several days ago, and it arrived today, so we'll go ahead and get to that video now. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this rear camera unboxed. I kind of cheated a little bit. Obviously, I only have two hands, and I need to hold the camera, so I took it out of the box, or took it out of the bag, rather, but I have not opened the box yet. But I wanted to show you guys how much I paid for this. This is the Dynamic Lines rear view camera retrofit with front camera support. So I did not get the front camera. That is an additional, I think it was $99 option, but to me it's not necessary. I do not have parking distance control sensors on the car, so this will just be a rear camera, and I did want the dynamic lines. That way when I turn the steering wheel, the lines will move as well. Purchased it for $429, which is on sale. They had a Valentine's Day sale at the time. Typically this is, I want to say it's over $500, and it came from Canada, so that's why there's additional charges there. 35 and the 16 ended up being $480 at the end of the day. So here's the box. So this is exactly how it arrived. Let's take everything out and see what we got here. This looks like an adapter, or a module rather. And this is the entire wiring harness. Alright, so I took everything out of the bags just to make this a little easier. So this is a replacement trunk handle. It's very OEM-like. The only addition is the camera on the left side. So the finger hole is a little bit smaller than the OEM now because of the camera, but this should be a direct swap. Everything looks really nice. Pretty self-explanatory. Should be a really quick and easy install. So this will replace the handle. One will connect through the actual trunk release, so that way, you know, when I hit the button, it knows to open. And this will connect to the wiring harness, which will be fed through the car. I'm going to run everything really cleanly, and so this will run through the car, and then we will have to take the head unit apart and unplug a harness, and then plug this supplied harness in. And then this plugs into the module here. There's the connections on the side. So overall, it's a pretty simple kit. I'm hoping the install goes pretty quickly, especially since I've had the car apart so many times at this point. So there you have it. Be on the lookout for a video coming shortly, where we will go over the whole install process, and I will show you every little step of the way on how to install and set everything up. So we'll catch you on the next video.